In this tutorial, we will review the summary page by reviewing both the mobile app as well as the web portal interface. The web portal interface provides a section for daily analytics, as well as shortcut buttons for most popular features. Note that most popular features and shortcut buttons can be accessed from the left menu as well. A daily intake goal is identified on both web and mobile accounts, as well as calories consumed through food journaling and the net total after logging. Logged macronutrients are displayed for today from food journal activity, as well as steps taken for the previous 7 days. You can also view on the daily intake goal how many foods have been consumed relative to the goal. Please note that you can access more tutorials by clicking here on the Show Me button on each page of the web application.